Yes, student, we are left with one small portion of energy band formation, that is for silicon. Okay, for silicon atom we are seeing the energy formation. Okay, energy band formation. Let us see for silicon atom. This is my silicon atom. Okay, now as we know very well, for the silicon, what is atomic number is 14. What? 14. So now see here, this is what? This is our nucleus. Okay, so this is outermost shell, and here there is a 10 electron which are bound to nucleus. Okay, tightly bound to nucleus. There is a outermost shell electron. These are 4. This is electron, electron, here electron, here electron. Okay, so now we are going to see its what is electronic configuration. Let us see. 1s2, 2s2, okay, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2. okay, so now see here, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2. so these are completely filled. These are what? Completely filled. Okay, so these are partially filled, these are partially filled. Okay, so now forget about this, we want to discuss about this only. Okay, so this energy, these valence shell electrons, these will take part in the energy formation, but this will also take part in the energy formations if we go beyond what? Equilibrium interatomic distance. But ideally it is possible somehow, ideally somehow if we will go beyond the interatomic distance. Okay, but practically it is not possible. Okay, for understanding purpose you can do it. Okay, for analysis purpose. So now we will focus on this part only. Now see, what are these 1s, 3s2, 3p2. what are these? These are nothing but quantum state. What? Quantum state. Quantum state per atom. Per atom. How many quantum state? 3s2, 2 quantum state. Here how many? 2 quantum state, but possible is 6 quantum state possible. In what? In p subshell. In p subshell. Okay, so let us see this. Okay, this is all about silicon atom. Now we are drawing what? Energy band formations. Okay, for silicon atom. So let us see. So this is just, we are discussing about this only. 3s2, 3p, 3s2, 3p2. Okay, so these other are completely filled. Okay, so other are completely filled, completely filled. Okay, so these are partially filled. What? Partially. These are partially filled. Okay, we will discuss about this only. Now if we see as a subshell has how many orbital? As a subshell has 1 orbital. How many? 1 orbital. And how many quantum state? 2 quantum state. How many? 2 quantum state. This is what? P subshell. Okay, p subshell, third energy level. Okay, S subshell, third energy level. P subshell, third energy level. How many orbital in p subshell? Possible 3 orbital. How many? 3 orbital. Okay, 3 orbital. Each orbital has how many quantum state? 2 quantum state. 2 quantum state. Okay, so these are quantum state. Now you see here in s orbital is s subshell has 1 orbital, 1 orbital, where there is a 2 quantum state. Each quantum state is filled with electron, means they are fully filled. Okay, so they are completely filled. So now see here, p subshell has 3 orbital. How many quantum state? 6. How many electron? 2. So these are 2 electron. Here 1 orbital is completely filled, means 2 quantum state is completely filled, and remaining 2 orbital is empty, means remaining 4 quantum state is empty. So these are what? These are quantum state. What? Quantum. These are quantum state. What? Quantum state. These are quantum state. Okay, and these are orbital. What? Orbital. These are orbital. Okay, these are orbital, these are quantum state. Okay, so now this is all about this. let us say energy band formation for this. Okay, so now see energy band formation. This is energy versus distance. Which distance? Interatomic distance. What is that? The distance between what? Atom. Distance between atom, 1 by r. Here distance is infinite. Here distance is almost equal to 0. Okay, and this is my energy, what? Energy axis. This is my energy axis. Okay, so this is my energy. Now let us see here, this is my 3p orbital. 3p how much? 3p 2. So this is what? 3s 2. Let us see, what is this number? What is this number? N equal to 3. This number, what is this number? This is energy level. What? Energy level or energy level or orbit or energy shell. What is this p? What is this p? S. What is this p? P is what? Subshell. What? Subshell. This is subshell. What? Subshell. Okay, this number is what? This number is energy level. This p or s is nothing but subshell. What? Subshell. Okay, these are subshell. Okay, these number are what? Energy level. What? Energy level. Energy level. Okay, what is this power? These are quantum state. What? Quantum, QUAN, quantum state. These are quantum state. Okay, these are quantum state. These quantum state. Now this is energy level, this is a energy subshell, and these are quantum state. What? Quantum state. Quantum state per atom. What? Per atom. Yes, how many possible quantum state in p subshell? How many? 6, but filled is only 2. Only 2 quantum state is filled, remaining is 4. Okay, so total possible is 6. Total possible is 6 quantum state possible. 6 quantum state possible. Filled is how many? Filled is 2 quantum state filled. 2 quantum state are filled. Okay, so here how many quantum state? 2 quantum state. Yes, 2 quantum state, 2 are filled. Okay, 2 filled. Okay, so now completely filled, partially filled. Now this energy level. Now as the silicon atom is what? Silicon atom, we are bringing the silicon atom closer to each other. Now this energy level will get split into 2 part. Yes, will get split into what? Will get split into what? Band of energy. Okay, so band of energy in discrete energy level. This will get split into discrete energy level. Okay, formation of allowed energy band. Okay, within this energy band there is a discrete energy level. Okay, so now as we are bringing atom much closer to each other, then these electrons will also participate in the energy band formation. So now see here, this will also get split into what? Energy band formation. Okay, so energy band formation. So these are discrete energy level within the allowed energy band. Now here after some distance, after this is what? Interatomic distance. Okay, so after some distance, after interatomic distance, these will get split into 2 part. Okay, so lower energy level and upper energy level. Okay, so lower energy level and upper energy level. Okay, so this point. Okay, so here, from here. Okay, so these are after interatomic distance. Okay, after interatomic distance, again they have formation of allowed energy band. Within this allowed energy band there is a discrete energy level. What? Discrete energy level. You see here, discrete energy level. Okay, so now this gap is what? Energy band gap. What? Energy band gap. This gap is what? Energy band gap. Okay, after interatomic distance. Now see here, total number of quantum state 6, here 2, 6 to 8. Here how many quantum state? 8 quantum state. 8 quantum state. Okay, 8 quantum state in this region, in this allowed energy band. Okay, in this allowed energy band has 8 quantum state. 8 quantum state, and how many electron? Total 4 electron. 4 electron. Yes, 4 electron. Now after interatomic distance, after interatomic distance, they will get split again into a allowed energy band. Allowed energy band. Within that allowed energy band, again there is a discrete energy level. Again there is a discrete energy level. Now discrete energy level. Okay, so now these allowed energy band has what? This is upper energy level. This is upper energy level, which is nothing but conduction band. What? Conduction band in free space. What? In free space. So now this is lower energy band. This is lower energy band. This is valence band. What? Valence band. Okay, so this is valence band. Now if you see here, this quantum state will get split into equal part. It has how many quantum state? 4 quantum state. How many? 4 quantum state. Okay, so this also, this valence band, this lower energy level also have how many? 4 quantum state. How many? 4 quantum state. Now but these electrons will go here and there, here or here. It will not go here because it is under, it is at 0 degree Kelvin. 0 degree Kelvin. This all we are doing under 0 degree Kelvin. This is under 0 degree Kelvin. Okay, so this is temperature equal to 0 degree Kelvin. So therefore these all electrons will come to here. These are 4 electrons in valence band. Okay, in a lower energy band. Now see here, upper energy level has 4 quantum state, and how many electron? 0 electron. 0 electron. Here how many electron? 4 electron. How many? 4 electron. So this is the what? Energy band formation. Okay, energy band formation of valence band and conduction band for silicon atom. For silicon atom, as the atom is coming closer to each other, then they will then this energy level will get split into a allowed energy band. Within that allowed energy band there is a discrete energy level. There is a discrete energy level. Okay, so to satisfy what? To satisfy Pauli exclusion principle. Okay, Pauli exclusion principle. Okay, which says that during the formation of any solid or crystal material, the number of quantum state should not be altered. Okay, so to satisfy, for that purpose, these energy level must split into allowed energy band. Okay, so within that allowed energy band there is a number of discrete energy level. Okay, so these are basics. Okay, so now these are for what? How many atom? Single atom. Similarly, if there is an atom, what? An atom, then how many quantum state here? 6n quantum state. How many? 6n quantum state. Then how many electron is there? Then there is a 2n electron. Okay, 2n electron. Okay, filled with 2 quantum state. Okay, 2n quantum state filled with electron. Okay, out of which 4n quantum state. 4n quantum state are empty. Means 4n quantum state are empty. This is total quantum state. Okay, so here also 2n quantum state. How many quantum state? 2n quantum state, and 2n electron, with 2n electron filled. Okay, we in 2n quantum state. 4n electron for an atom. Here how many quantum state? 8n quantum state for an atom. Similarly here 4n quantum state at upper energy level, that is conduction band, 0 electron. Here 4n quantum state at where? Valence band, with how many electron? 4n electron. at lower energy level. So this is my what? This is valence band, this is conduction band. The energy band gap between this is what? This is energy band gap. Okay, so this is the formation of energy band gap for silicon atom, for an atom. Okay, so in case of silicon, for an atom. So these are quantum state. Okay, these are quantum state per atom, quantum state per atom. Okay, so that's all. So that's all. After that it will depend on temperature. If temperature is like room temperature, okay, or any temperature other than 0 degree, then there may be some electron which will exist in this energy band. Okay, so that is conduction band. Okay, so that is under 0 degree Kelvin. Okay, so these are all about the energy band formation of silicon atom. Okay, similarly you can see for germanium atom. Okay, so now this is all about what? Energy band formation. Now if you want to see what about energy band formation in deep, okay, so in what deeply if you want to see, so this is everything is clear, nothing orbital, and inside orbital there is a quantum state. Okay, which is each quantum state is filled with single electron. Okay, so then after that, as the atom is coming very close to each other, then these energy level must split into a band of energy level, into a allowed energy band, must split into allowed energy band. Okay, in order to satisfy what? Pauli exclusion principle. Within this energy band there is a discrete energy level, which are distributed. These energy are quasi distribution energy. Okay, within the allowed energy band. Okay, so these are all about this. Okay, so now if you want what some deep again, but it is more than enough to understand the energy band. Okay, energy band formation, how energy band formation, why energy band formations, how that also we have discussed, and why that also we have discussed. Okay, so this is all about energy band formation in decent manner. Okay, if you want to deep study, then you have to go for what? Quantum mechanical wave theory. You have to understood quantum mechanical wave theory. Actually they will tell what? When the atom is coming very close to each other, these are two atoms, okay, so when these atoms are coming very close to each other, okay, these are outermost shell electron. Now these electron have what? Wave function. Its wave function, both have wave function. These wave function will get overlap with each other. These are the wave function which is given by what? Schrödinger, scientist. Okay, so he provide one formulation called wave function. Okay, by incorporating what? Two principle. What? Principle of energy quanta and principle of what? De Broglie principle. That is what? Wave particle duality principle. Okay, wave particle duality principle. So this wave particle duality principle, which is the basis for quantum mechanical wave theory. Okay, which we are using to describe the behavior of electron inside the crystal. Okay, inside the crystal. So which is given by again Schrödinger wave equation. So what happens when the atom is coming very close to each other? This I am saying only if you will see deep. Okay, in deep concept, these electrons, when these atoms are coming very close to each other, then what happen? These wave function will get overlap with each other. Okay, when these wave function will get overlap with each other, then what happen? They will individually affected. Okay, so this will impact what? This will impact the boundary condition of Schrödinger wave equation. Okay, so this will impact those boundary condition, due to which there is a splitting of energy level. Okay, so due to which there is a splitting of energy level. Okay, so when these atoms will come closer to each other, again what happen? Their Coulombic potential value will get affected. Coulombic potential value is what? That is nothing but there is a one what? Empty box. There is one empty box. What? Empty box. Inside this empty box, okay, inside this empty box there is a particle. What? There is a particle. In this particle no force is acting. Okay, so inside this box Okay, potential is 0, and outside the box potential is what? Infinite. Potential is infinite. Okay, so this is what? Potential well. So this potential, Coulombic potential well, will get affected when two atoms are coming closer to each other. Okay, closer to each other. So now from Schrodinger wave equation, if you will see from Schrodinger wave equation, the resulting wave function, when these wave will get overlapped with each other, then the resulting wave function will what? This resulting wave function will become will be the linear combination, corresponding to their wave function, corresponding to their individual wave function. Okay, so this resulting wave function of this neighboring to interacting electron, okay, this wave function is a linear combination. What? Linear combination corresponding to their wave function. Which wave function? This electron wave function. This combination may be even combination or odd combination. It may be even combination, it may be even combination, it may be even combination, or it may be odd combination. It may be odd combination. Okay, it may be odd combination. During even combination, we will get what? Anti-bonding orbital. What? Bonding orbital. We will get bonding orbital. What? Bonding orbital. We will get bonding orbital. During this odd combinations of this wave function, we will get anti-bonding orbital. What? Anti-bonding orbital. Anti-bonding orbital. Okay, so these are bonding orbital. This bonding orbital is something like this. This is atomic orbital. So these are wave function, both atom, when atom is coming very close to each other. So this have wave function, this wave function, this. Okay, wave function of two atom when they are coming closer to each other. Okay, so they will form what? Either bonding orbital or anti-bonding orbital. So bonding orbital is something like this, bonding orbital. Okay, so this is my bonding orbital. This is anti-bonding orbital. These are anti-bonding orbital. Okay, so now when these are coming closer to each other, their potential energy will get what? Their potential energy will get decreases when they will come very close to each other. Okay, why? Because now here the electron is not attracting by the single nuclei, but it is attracting by two nuclei or more than two nuclei when more number of atoms will come closer to each other. Okay, so due to which their potential energy will get decreases. Okay, decreases compared to when the atom is isolated, when the atom is in isolated form. Okay, so due to which there is a what? Due to which anti-bonding. This is what? Anti-bonding. This is anti-bonding. This is bonding. This is bonding. This is bonding orbital. This is anti-bonding orbital. This is anti-bonding orbital. Okay, so due to which the anti-bonding orbital, okay, when the potential energy will get decreases, okay, compared to isolated atom, due to which what? This anti-bonding orbital probability exists at higher potential region, due to which there is a splitting of energy band, there is a splitting of energy level. This is all about, if you want to learn from what? Quantum mechanical wave theory side, how the energy band formation is there. Okay, atom is coming very close to each other, every atom has a wave function. Okay, that is electron wave function. Okay, electron wave function, it is due to the what? Wave particle duality principle, which is the basic principle, which is the basis that we are using in the quantum mechanical wave theory to describe what? To describe the behavior of this electron inside the crystal. Okay, so which is given by what? Which is given by this quantum mechanical wave theory, which is given by Schrodinger wave equation. Okay, so we also have the electron which is bound within the atom will form the standing wave equation. Yes, the electron which is very far away in the free space will form what? Will represent what? Traveling wave, that we have seen in case of what? Schrodinger wave equation, or not? both we have seen in case of Schrodinger wave equation. Now when the atom is coming closer to each other, these wave function will get overlapped with each other. Okay, so therefore they will individually affected. Okay, so therefore this will impact the Schrodinger equation boundary condition. Okay, boundary condition of Schrodinger wave equation will get impacted. Okay, so due to which there is a splitting and there is a splitting of the energy level. Again, when these atom is coming closer to each other, they also impact their Coulombic potential well. Okay, so Coulombic potential well. So therefore from Schrodinger wave equation we can say that the resulting wave function, which is the resulting wave function of these two neighboring interacting electron is what is linear combination corresponding to their wave function. This combination can be even function or odd function. Even function is nothing but even combination occur when these wave functions are exactly symmetric. Odd combination will occur when these wave functions are exactly antisymmetric. Okay, so like that we have seen all. Okay, so then if you see their potential well, okay, so their potential will get decreases like this. Okay, so this is potential well. If you see, there is a two level, upper level and lower level. In lower level, what bonding state? Bonding level. This is my bonding level. This is bonding level, which is forming by what? Which is formed by even combination. This is anti-bonding level. Anti-bonding. This is anti-bonding level. Which is formed by what? Odd combination. For odd combination, the wave function must be antisymmetric. For bonding combination, the wave function is exactly symmetric. Okay, so therefore the anti-bonding probability exists at higher potential region, due to which there is a splitting of energy level. So this, yes, from Schrodinger wave equation. There only we will talk about waves. Electron behave like is a wave. Okay, particle exhibit wave like behavior. Okay, so because it is given by the de Broglie principle, who postulates in 1924 the matter wave. Okay, he suggested that if the wave exhibit the particle like behavior, then the particle must be or should be expected to show the wave like property. Okay, so this was the hypothesis for the existence of a wave particle duality principle. So that's why the Schrodinger incorporate this principle into the Schrodinger wave equation. From there, this wave